Welcome back to Language Leap, the show where we make learning English fun and exciting. Today, we have a very special episode with even more questions to test your knowledge. Get ready to participate, everyone. Whether you're watching from home or in the studio, feel free to shout out your answers or write them down. Joining us today is our guest, Olivia.
Hi, David. I'm thrilled to be here. I've been practicing my English, and I'm ready for the challenge.
That's fantastic, Olivia. We'll be focusing on the present simple tense, so make sure to think about how we use it to talk about routines, facts, and regular habits. Whether you get the answers right or wrong, don't worry. I'll explain everything. Let's dive right in, shall we?
Absolutely. Let's do this.
Here's your first question. Choose the correct verb form. My brother, A, read, B, reads, C, reading, D, readed. The newspaper every morning.
That's B, reads.
Correct. In the present simple for he, she, and it, we add s or es to the verb. So it's reads. Great start, Olivia. Next question. Which sentence is correct? A. I goes to the movies every Friday. B. I going to the movies every Friday. C. I go to the movies every Friday. D. I went to the movies every Friday.
That's A. I goes to the movies every Friday.
Oh no, that's incorrect. The correct answer is C. I go to the movies every Friday. We use the base form go with I in the present simple. But don't worry, you're just warming up. Let's move on to question 3. Which word is an adverb of frequency commonly used with the present simple? A. Now. B. Always. C. Later. D. Tomorrow.
It's A, now.
Not quite, Olivia. The correct answer is B. Always. Now is used with the present continuous, while always describes something that happens regularly, which is why it fits the present simple. Here's question 4. Fill in the blank. They A. Play. B. Plays. C. Playing. D. Played. Soccer every weekend.
That's A.
Correct. They is plural, so we use the base form of the verb, which is play. Great job bouncing back. Next. Question 5. Which sentence expresses a routine? A. He is eating lunch right now. B. He eats lunch at 1 p.m. every day. C. He ate lunch yesterday. D. He will eat lunch later.
It's B. He eats lunch at 1 p.m. every day.
Absolutely right. The present simple is used for routines and every day is a clue. Nice work. Moving on to next question. Which form is correct? A. Do he like coffee? B. Does he likes coffee? C. Does he like coffee? D. He does like coffee.
It's B.
Oops, that's not correct. The right answer is C. Does he like coffee? We use does with third-person singular subjects and follow it with the base form of the verb, which is like. But no worries, you're doing great. Next question. Fill in the blank. I. A studied. B studies. C studying. D study. English every night.
It's D, study.
Correct. With I, we use the base form of the verb, so study is the right answer. Question 9. Which sentence is incorrect? A. They go to school by bus. B. She go to school by bus. C. We walk to the park every day. D. He rides his bike to work.
It's A, they go to school by bus.
Actually, the incorrect sentence is B. She go to school by bus. It should be she goes to school by bus because we add S to the verb in the third person singular. Next. My mom, A cook. B cooking. C cooks. D cooked. Dinner every night.
It's C.
Absolutely right. My mom is singular, so we add S to the verb, making it cooks. You're on a roll now. Question 11. Choose the correct negative form. A. I doesn't like tea. B. I don't like tea. C. I not like tea. D. I didn't like tea.
It's B, I don't like tea.
Correct. In the negative form with I, we use don't, so I don't like tea is right. Well done. Moving on to next question. Which of these is not in the present simple? A. We walk to school. B. She plays the piano. C. They are eating dinner. D. He works at a bank.
It's D, he works at a bank.
Not quite. The correct answer is C. They are eating dinner, which is in the present continuous. He works at a bank is in the present simple, so that one's correct. Next, question 13. They. A. Visit. B. Visits. C. Visiting. D. Visited their grandparents every month.
It's A, visit.
Yes. With they, we use the base form of the verb, so visit is correct. Fantastic. Here's question 14. Which sentence is incorrect? A. She live in New York. B. We live in New York. C. They live in New York. D. I live in New York.
It's A, she live in New York.
That's right. It should be she lives in New York. Excellent job. Question 15. You. A is B are, C am, D be, always late for class.
It's B, R.
Correct. You takes are, so you are always late for class is perfect. That's it. Olivia, you answered some tough questions today, and although you got a few wrong, you did an amazing job. How do you feel?
I feel good. I made some mistakes, but I learned a lot. Thank you, David.
That's the spirit. Mistakes are part of the journey. Thanks for joining us today on Language Leap. Keep practicing, and you'll get even better. Until next time.
And that wraps up another fun animation journey in Language Leap. If you enjoyed this video, remember to watch it a few times and practice with it throughout the week to keep your English skills at their best. The journey of language learning is full of adventure and joy, so embrace every moment and keep going with all your energy. And finally, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on future videos.